Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today, with our Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix, we will be doing a traditional East Coast fish fry. Here's what you'll need for today's recipe. First thing you should do is preheat your oil to 375 degrees. Prepare your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix according to instructions. Dredge your entire piece of fish in flour. Dip completely into the batter mixture for full coverage. Slowly add the fish to the oil. Fry for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. This batter cooks up quickly and easily in your oil. This East Coast classic is taken to a new level with this batter, which is a 130-year-old family recipe. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Be sure to check out our other recipes with Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix. And until next time, keep cooking.